There's another quick way to remove a broken bolt. Get a washer that's just a tad smaller diameter than that bolt. Weld the washer first, and then weld the nut. Alright, here we go. A couple of tries. Finally got it. Just didn't do it 100%, but anyway, there she is. And you can kind of see here. I just didn't have enough penetration. Actually, it was very dirty, which was why I wasn't able to get it to weld right. So washer, get it to washer first, get deep penetration to get the broken stud, and then a nut over it, and that's it right there. Not holding it because it's hot, but there she is. So that's how I do these now. I don't drill them out anymore. I just waste too much money with drill bits. And when you get this right, it's pretty fast.